Hi students, joyful morning everybody. Joyful morning ma'am. Okay, very good. So today I will introduce you one new English word that is called onomatopoeia. What is that word? Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Have you all ever heard this word in your previous class? No. Okay, so today let me introduce you what is called onomatopoeia and its words also. What are called onomatopic words? Okay, so let me tell you about this today. Are you ready, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So what is onomatopoeia? It is the use of words that intimate actual sounds of the thing they describe. Okay, it is the use of words that intimate actual sounds of the thing they describe, actual sounds of things. Okay, generally in our surroundings, you are hearing lot of words, lot of noises. Yes or no? So that actual sounds are called, onomatopic words. What are that?
Onomatopoeia.
Yes, onomatopic words. Okay. So the describing words. So the use of words that intimate actual sounds of the thing they describe. Okay. Like the boom of a firework exploding, the ding dong of a bell, the sound of bell. How it gives sound? Bell sound?
Ding dong.
Ding dong. Say like that?
Ding dong.
Very good. And the pitter patter of raindrop sound. What is the raindrop sound? Pitter patter. Next, what is the clock sound? Tick tock. Say? Yeah, our clock gives that sound only, no? Tick tock. Okay, and bell sound? Ding dong. Yeah, so this type of sounds are called what onomatopic words. What are that? Yes. So now here I have written some onomatopic words. What are that? Yeah. So you all know that from wind, okay? So through the wind from trees, what the sound comes, students? Yeah, very good. How the sound makes? Slowly, it very soothing sound from the trees. Whoosh. If very big air comes, so the tree from the trees, the sound comes like whoosh. Very good. And next, clock. From clock, what the sound count? Come on, tell me.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Yes, from the clock, the sound comes like tick tock, tick tock. Very good. Next, bees. How the bees make noise? Yeah, how? That is not bus. Yeah, small sound will come like that. Okay, from the bees. And next, see, from cat. So cat, how it makes sound, cats? How the cat makes sound? Meow. How? Who is making good, you or me? You only. Yeah. Once again? Yes. Dog. Next, dog. How it makes sound? Dog makes sound? Wow, you are super. Very good talent people you are. So you are very sharp. Okay. See, exactly you are making dog sound. Once again say, come on. Super, super, super. Give claps to yourself. Next, see, mothers in the morning, they are making food for us, So when they are frying something, okay, in the vessel, how does noise come from that? Yes, yes. Very good. Next, now bell rings. Okay, the period is over. So from the bell, the noise, how it comes, the sound?
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Ding dong. Very good. Yeah. From rain. From the raindrops. What is the noise from the raindrops? Pitter patter. Pitter patter.
Pitter patter, pitter patter.
Yes. Like tap, 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 tap. From each drop, the sound comes like that. Small birds. From small birds, what's the noise come from that? Yeah, chip, chip, chip. Some chirping sound. From the small birds, chirping sound. Next, anything breaks. How the noise comes? What is that sound? What is that sound? Crash. If anything breaks, breaks, the sound come like crash. What is that sound? Crash. Next, the sound of laughter. How you laugh? Very good. You are laughing very nice. Okay. So that is the sound come from our laugh. And next, from the duck. Quack. Wow, super, super. I think you are ducks only. That's why you are giving the same sound. Okay. So very good students. Thankful for your very thankful to you. You are very supporting students. Okay. So these sounds are called what? Onomatopic words. Onomatopic words. So the describing of these words is called onomatopoeia. What is that? Onomatopoeia. So have you all understood this class, students? Yes. So very good, all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you for today's nice class. Okay. Thank you so much.